Introduce features interest for DuRyte Electric Pressure Washer 3500 Psi/2.8 GPM 1600W Power Washer with 4 nozzles. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Why you choose DuRyte Electric Pressure Washer 3500 PSI, 2.8 GPM 1600 watts. Below are some reasons why you should choose. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 1600 watt motor generates up to 3500 psi water pressure at 2.8 GPM, crushing stubborn grime and dirt to restore your surfaces. Perfect for cleaning fencing, garage floors, driveways, patio furniture, cars, trucks, and more. The 0 degrees tip delivers super high pressure for dissolving stubborn substances on hard surfaces. The 15 degrees tip delivers high pressure for stripping paint, removing oil stains, grease, heavy stains on hard surfaces. The 25 degrees tip delivers medium pressure for cleaning wood decks, vinyl sidings. The 40 degrees tip provides low pressure for cleaning vehicles, boats, patio furniture, and fence. Produces dense foam and stays on the surface longer for resulting in better cleaning performance. Compared to built-in detergent tank, foam cannon doesn't deliver foam through the pump to affect pump's life. So no worry to use various detergents and chemicals. The total stop system will automatically shut off pump when trigger is not engaged to protect the pump and prolong the service life of pump. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.